You can start manifesting money easier through a very soul-led manifesting practice. Hey, I'm Scott Haug, and over the last 10 years, I've been working very diligently on helping myself manifest and attract in what my desires were in my dream life, which has happened. But also the last couple years, it's been more, how do I bring myself to an aligned, soul-led place? So I'm not just manifesting material things into my life, I'm manifesting, but at the same time I'm feeling complete, I'm feeling inner peace, and I'm allowing less resistance to go on, so less worries and doubts in my mind while going through this whole practice. Stay to the end of the video because I'm going to give you a short practice you can do literally right after this video and right during the video that's going to help you start to manifest money in a lot easier, but in a very different way I think than you've ever seen before. So most people want money to come in. I put $, but if you're in a different country with pounds or euros, just put in whatever your money sign is. But a lot of people want a certain amount of money to come into their life. But what's going on is they're a mismatch to it because they are ego-led, trying to get the money. So essentially, they chase money. Have you ever been there before? I certainly have. You're chasing the money around, and it's like the money constantly goes the other way. That's what it feels like anyways. Obviously, it's not what's going on, but it's not like the money's dancing away from you. But that's what it feels like, right? Every time you're trying to get more money in, it feels like there's more expenses that come in. You get large amounts of money come in, and then a lot of money goes out. Or it just seems like there's never a good consistent flow going on for you. You feel stuck around it for some reason. This is because when the ego is chasing money, it's wanting it for selfish reasons inside because it's filling a void. I'm not enough. I'm not worthy enough. I never accomplish what I want, right? There's some sort of dominating story and theme that the ego mind tries to tell you, and therefore repels money. Because as Abraham Hicks says, if you ever listen to Abraham Hicks' teachings, every subject has two subjects. The presence of what you want or the absence. And so essentially, this is the absence of what you want. And it basically tells the universe, I don't have it, I don't have it. And the universe must correspond and say, okay, you don't have it, you don't have it. So it sounds like a crazy trick, right? It's like, I really want a lot of money. Well, the universe doesn't hear your words. It hears what you mean. So let me do an example. If I came up to you and I said, I really like your shirt. Do you believe me? I just made a face. It looks like I'm judging you. Do you believe the words I said? No. Because what I said and what I mean are different. I said I like your shirt, but probably deep down, I don't like your shirt. See, there's no correspondence. So when I say like, wow, I really like your shirt. That's a really nice shirt. It feels like I'm more meaning it, right? So now what I say and what I mean are on the same level. So when I say I want more money, deep down though, I'm like, I'm so frustrated with money. I hate money. It never comes to me. I feel like I'm chasing it every day. You see, it's a mismatch. No wonder why the universe can't give you what you want, because it's a mismatch. You're feeling the absence. The universe has to respond to the feeling energy you're putting out, the frequency, what you're embodying. So I'm putting out absence is not here. Universe says, okay, here's more evidence of not absent. Here's more evidence of it not being here and having absence. Okay. So the soul-led way though, it's presence. Okay. And since it's presence, what happens is you're coming from your soul side. Okay. And what goes on is as you're going towards money, money goes towards you. So instead of chasing it, it starts to emerge. Okay? And when money starts to emerge in your life, it's like, wow, it was an unexpected thing, an unexpected win. I'm starting to rise in higher income levels, and it feels like it's my normal, natural ability to do so. So money starts to become easier as you're allowing yourself to not chase it, but emerge it. Now, I'm going to go through the exercise here. Before I do, I have a brand new thing. If you didn't see my last video, it's a 7-day free trial for my soul-led manifestation system. You're going to love it. Like what you're able to do with this is extraordinary. Manifesting, healing all the limitations within you that have been dominating your consciousness you didn't even know about. And how do I do soul-led living or integrating so I'm living this, not when I'm just watching a YouTube video, not when I'm just listening to an audiobook in the car, but how do I live it? Because there's a difference between knowing it and living it. I have a step-by-step system on how to do all of that. And I put it for a 7-day free trial so you can try it out. There's no risk then. You just click the button and try. And then afterwards, it's just $1 to get going. And we have upgrade options from there. But literally, there's no wall for you. You can just get started. There's no risk. You can just try it out and see if you enjoy it, okay? It's called Soul. And the community is doing all of this. So might as well do it because you're going to get step-by-step modules on exactly about money. Like 50% of what I talk about in those manifesting modules is around money. So the link is in the description below or in the pinned comment, or you might see like a little card pop up here. And get started in the free trial. Don't even wait. It's free. It's a free trial. Just get started, see if you enjoy it. And then, of course, there's upgrade options if you want to do it more one-on-one or something like that as well. You don't need to, though. That's just there for if you want it. Okay? And if you're getting value out of this video, throw a like on it. That would be very helpful for the algorithm. Make sure you subscribe so you get more videos like this. And comment below something that you're understanding from the video so far. So how we start to do this, the exercise becomes, number one, what does my soul think, feel, and act about money right now? The soul doesn't care about money at all because money is a spiritual energy byproduct, just as everything else is. This marker here is a spiritual form of energy because it's consciousness. Consciousness makes all things, including our human body, including our own minds, including everything. Everything is made up of the same fundamental stuff, okay? So if my marker is consciousness, it's a different form of consciousness, then money's consciousness too. And that's all the soul understands is pure abundance. Okay? So since the soul only understands pure abundance, it only understands that frequency of abundance, where the ego understands the lack side, the absence of abundance. Because there's no such thing as lack. There's abundance or absence of abundance. There's no such thing as not loving or something like that. It's are you feeling love or are you feeling the absence of love? So there's not light and dark, there's light and absence of light. Okay, so there's only actually one core thing going on. So what does your soul think and feel about this? Well, it is understanding of pure abundance, because pure abundance is pure love, and that's who we all are at the spirit level. Pure abundance and pure soul. So we understand that we start looking through, how do we do that? So you're going to sit down and you're just going to go ahead and talk to your soul. If you've never done this before, this is why you need to get into our programs, because we tell you, how do you talk to your soul? What does that even feel like? How do you know what's your soul? How do you know it's your mind? How do you know it's your heart? All these things we talk about in our community and in course and training. Okay, so it's just so hard to put this all in a YouTube video, or else it's like an 8-hour video. Okay, so the abundance side, get to know abundance. So you call in your soul and you understand, what is the experience of abundance in my body? If I was feeling abundance, what does that feel like in my body? And you start to sense it. It doesn't have to be abundance does not mean finances, by the way. I can have abundance of color, abundance of oxygen, abundance of books, abundance of light. Find what it feels like to live with abundance, but it doesn't have to be financial. Okay, so you start feeling what that is in the body. As you're doing this, you can start to sense what the soul would mean around money. There's unlimited amounts. So you start sensing what your soul is suggesting to you about money. And you start to hear and discern what your mind says and what your soul says. Your mind will say things that are those crazy stories like money's so crazy and not good and all these things. But then to hear what your soul says about money. And you start listening to that. This becomes a practice. It's not easy to do, but you can get started on it, okay? Then number 3, you start to find what feels coherent in your body, or basically what the next natural action is towards money. So you feel like, how do I want to serve somebody today? Or how do I want to do that new business idea? Or what is that new job resume I'm going to start building together? You start finding what feels enjoyable around money. One small thing, and you start taking action on that right away. You start doing these 3 things, you're going to start to sense the soul-led way. It's just a lot more peaceful. There's a lot less worries and doubts, and you don't need to strive 24/7 to have things come into play here. Okay, and that's why we can help you with all this. Start that 7-day free trial, because I don't know if we're going to keep doing that, because the deal is just so, I've never done it in 10 years. Like, it's just, we made it to be the best thing I've ever seen ever offered. But we can help with all three of these, and in that way you're not doing it by yourself, and we can do it with you. And that way you're starting to have money emerge rather than chase. And that's the easiest thing in the world, when you start saying, I don't want to chase. I don't want to always run after something. Instead, I want it to emerge in my life, and it's a very different thing. Scott Haug signing off here. I look forward to seeing you over in the next video.